Hello mga Dabbercats! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello mga Dabbercats! Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, mag-tutorial muna tayo. Today, I'm going to teach you on how to make a good thumbnail na pwede natin gamitin as our cover sa video na i-upload natin sa YouTube channel. Please watch this. Step sa bandang itaas. Step number 3, how to apply background in PICSART. Ngayon naman, I'm going to teach you on how to apply background in PICSART. After natin ma-cut out at ma-save yung picture, maglalagay tayo ng background. Hanapin po natin ulit yung FIT. Click po natin. And sa ibaba po makikita natin yung ratio. Click po ulit natin to. And look for YouTube sign. And that's it. Adjust po natin yung picture. And as you can see below, makikita natin yung color. Click po natin. And we have different colors here na pwede nating pagpilian. Let's say I'm going to use color blue. Click po natin. And that's it. Yan po yung itsura ng background natin using the color. And if you can see also below, makikita natin yung background. Click po natin. And may mga options po tayo dito. Ito po yung mga personalized background natin. Let's say I'm going to pick this one. That's it. Yan po yung itsura ng thumbnail natin using customized background or personalized background. Then apply po natin. And that's it. Step number 4, how to apply font style in PIcsArt. After natin maglagay ng background, we're going to apply font style and text sa ating thumbnail. Hanapin natin yung text, i-click natin, and then make your own title. Example, how to make a good thumbnail. I-click po natin yung check sa bandang itaas. And that's it. Just natin ng konti. If you can see below, we have an options kung anong klaseng font style yung pwede natin gamitin. Ito po yung mga examples. But I'm going to use this Sigmar 1. And kung gusto po natin lagyan ng kulay, meron po tayong makikitang color dito sa baba. Click po natin. Maraming colors po dito na pwede mong pagpilian. Like for example, yellow. So, ayan po yung yellow. And then, kung gusto po natin lagyan ng stroke, may mga colors din po dito sa ibaba. Let's say, I'm going to use black. Click po natin yung black. And then, adjust po natin yung amount o yung kapal niya sa gilid. Click natin tong amount. And that's it. Gusto natin mag-add ng another text. Click po natin tong positive sign. Text. By Teacher Rendz. Click po natin yung check sa itaas. And that's it. Gusto natin maglagay ng another color.
Mga Dabarkads, thank you very much for watching. For more updates, please subscribe my video.